Hojik yengsi aroiba 5 kingdom classification ge aroiba kingdom ani kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Parasi loigadore kingdom Plantae ne kingdom Animalia ne si tawraga koi virus ne viroid sairibu kangbusi ne aduga lichen sairibu kangbusi ka tawraga koi masigi parasi loigadoini si chapter si loigadoini. So yengse koi kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae da yaurisi karam karamba makhalgi jiba singno yengse kingdom Plantae da yauriba organism singse eukaryotic organism ne. Karam makhalgi eukaryotic no eukaryotic hai taragadi eukaryotic cells in the saba eukaryotic cells hairaga na amok moida membrane bound organelles yauba dagidi true nucleus yauba jiba singbuni haibse koi khangi. Now karamba eukaryotic organism ni harakanda chlorophyll containing eukaryotic organism ni habani moisi chlorophyll yawi habani chlorophyll yawi haisina haining ni si karino hai taradi moisi they are photosynthetic habani they are autotrophic masamatanda machinjak sumba ngamjaba jibani habani moigi mode of nutrition si autotrophic mode of nutrition ni habani. Now makasata si a few members are partially heterotrophic moida exception khara le few members khara moisi karino hai kanda partially loimakti haibana te ko partially heterotrophic machinjak sumba sungam de haibana te machinjak sumba ding ami adoi tarasu atopada kitang depend tawi moisi like karino like insectivorous plants and or parasites panbi desu parasite le ko cascuta si parasitic plant ne ko the bladder word ka haiba Venus flytrap ka haiba koi pitcher plant ka haiba ko common example da moi gumba si insectivorous plants ne ko so moi si insects ari si moi gi source of nitrogen oin na bani aduga sigi cascuta haiba parasite sina atopa plant sing da depend tawba parasitic plant ne sugumba exception khara di lei but mostly haiba kingdom Plantae si da yaudariba jiba sing si chlorophyll containing eukaryotic organisms which are autotrophic haisma lei ko. Now the plant cells have an have a eukaryotic structure hagadon ko moisi eukaryotic structure like magi cells sing si kari yawi prominent chloroplast yawi chloroplast hai taragadi it is a membrane bound organelle magi cell wall si kari na sai magi cell wall si made up of cellulose fungi ga kenai ko fungi ga na chitin hai ni ko. Now masigi plant kingdom se akoi mathangi chapter da in details tamgane ko aduga kaino sina akoi eukaryotic cell ki structure sina chapter number 8 da tamgane ko. So further details of this kingdom se akoi chapter number 3 da tamgane sida di just magi brim mai matai gi kaino sing duni ko matai wai saruk sing duni hai tare just introduction hai tare ko. Now Plantae si da yauriba magi class sing si kari no magi group classification si kari no hai tari Plantae ki classification si mas manga lei alki ko bukangbu mane bryophytes ko bukangbu mane pteridophytes ko bukangbu mane p si silent ko pteridophytes gymnosperms ko bukangbu mane aduga angiosperms ko bukangbu maga leiri haibani mogi life cycle si yengsi. Life cycle of plants has two distinct phases moida distinct phase ani khaklei kari no diploid hairagadi twice n koi mi si ju diploid ni ko koi gi cell si moida chromosome gi set ka yawi hai tarade koi set ani yawi ima rom da gi set ama papa rom da gi set ama set ani yawo jibani just like that plants is so set moida phase ani lai set ani yawa phase ama set ani yawa phase si koi sporophytic phase ani kawe aduga set ama khatang yawa phase ama set ama khatang yawa phase na haploid oiba gametophytic phase ani kawe adumai tawduna masigi haploid oiba phase ka diploid oiba phase ka ani si moida alternate tawraga chatle haidana masigi kaino si magi life cycle se distinct phase ani lei haidana masibu koi kari kauge harakanda alternation of generation ani kawe ko aduna magi phase ani se karambane hena sangani karambane hena tengani haibasi panbi tu gi group tu gi matung in leba ko. So the length of the haploid and the diploid phases and whether these phases are free living haiba phase makal ani si free living oibra natraga dependent on others atopada dependent oibra haibasi it depends on, it vary among the different groups of plants. Say for example, angiosperm haiba flowering plants the diploid sporophytes oiba structure sina diploid structure sina dominant oi aduga haploid sina moidadi matam yam teli karam kanda haploid oi moigi pollen grain mai gametophyte putokpa matam da khatang haploid oi. But in case of algae dadi moi plant se haploid moi diploid nati moi dadi en katane ayama matam da aduna magi dominant phase si algae dadi en oiba phase haploid oiba phase ina dominant oiba diploid oiba phase se moi dadi yam tele aduna panbi sigi makhal gi matung ina diploid oiba gi phase ka haploid oiba gi phase ka gi matam amadi karam badana free oige aduna traga karam badana dependent oige habase kanagi matung ina lay hai kanda different groups of plant gi matung ina tongan lay haibani masigi in details to akoi chapter number 3 da khangkani hajipoki di akoi na khangdoi si alternation generation haibasi kanai da u phange hai kanda akoi plant kingdom du u phangi. So alternation of generation haibadi kaino hai kanda panbi ki life cycle da phase ani leibudu buni phase ani si kari no hai matam da diploid oiba diploid ready twice and ko chromosome gi set ani yaw bai tare sporophytic phase amaga diploid oiba sporophytic phase amaga haploid oiba gametophytic phase amaga ani si alternate tawga chatle haibani sumaina my life cycle ji amu diploid amu oiba amu haploid oiba sumaina alternate tawi haibani masi buni akoi alternation of generation haidise ko. So alternation of generation is important from this topic. Sigi topic sida alternation of generation is important way. Next thing is kingdom Animalia. Now this kingdom is characterized by heterotrophic nasagi plantana autotrophic sidana heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms ingni haibani that are multicellular so oigadabani and their cells lack cell walls moigi cell jingsi cell wall yaroidabani haibani. They directly or indirectly depend on plants or for food. Moina panbi singda directly natraga indirectly depend tawi. Directly depend to bahayana san gumba direct panbi jarga hingba jiba. Indirectly depend to bahayana kai gumba kai jina deer jani deer jina kai jaba plant sing jara hingini. So ultimately kai na depend to risi kanada no plant ne ko directly nati indirectly ko. Moigi matangi line sing si they digest their food in an internal cavity moigi digestive system laijai habani and store food reserves as glycogen or fat panbi gi food reserve ti starch ni aduga kaino gi akoi gi animal gi food reserves na glycogen natraga fat oina store taw habani magi mode of nutrition si karina my mode of nutrition si holozoic ni holozoic hai tardi taking in of whole material to take in targa manung digestion targa breakdown to basing to puni ko by ingestion of food similarly. They follow a definite growth pattern to grow into adults and have a definite shape and size. Similarly, higher forms show elaborate sensory and neuromotor mechanism. Higher forms of neuromotor mechanisms develop. Now, the sexual reproduction is by copulation. Copulation sexual reproduction copulation है male की body का female की body का अनि से समझना बा admire तो वो मकल की sexual reproduction दने copulation of male and female followed by embryological development अदुगा मोइदा embryo development ले है बनी मसी की salient features of मसी kingdom से कराए तंगने my kingdom की मागी class phylum में हम जिंदो कराए तंगने हर कांदा कोई chapter number 4 टा मसी हम तंगने. So swagi da jaga sida important oi se magi heterotrophic oiba eukaryotic organism oiba cell wall yaudaba plants in the directly or indirectly depend toba natraga masi magi reserve food se glycogen or fat sumaina store toba natraga magi mode of nutrition se kari oiba holozoic mode of nutrition oiba sugumba se important oi se ki magi se topic sida ko mathangi topic ta yeng se koi virus ne viroids ne lichens ne aduga topa Brian zaina kambu mga yauri si mga yengsi sa mathangi topic kita magta mathangi video ngay biyo